Welcome to Best Choice. The Best USB Adapter Kit is probably one of the most versatile and essential gadgets for anyone looking to expand their device's connectivity options, allowing you to seamlessly connect a wide range of peripherals like external hard drives, flash drives, keyboards, mice, and even charge your devices on the go. Whether you're a photographer needing to transfer files quickly from your camera's memory card, a student needing to connect multiple accessories to your laptop, or a tech enthusiast always looking to optimize your setup, a reliable USB adapter kit can be a game changer, simplifying your digital life and unlocking new possibilities for your devices. Number 5. JSAUX USB-C to USB 3.0 Adapter 2-Pack. Introducing the JSAUX USB-C to USB 3.0 adapter. This handy accessory allows you to connect your existing USB devices to your new USB-C ports with ease. With USB OTG support, you can plug in flash drives, keyboards, mice, and more. It makes your USB-C devices compatible with a wide range of peripherals, expanding their functionality. Experience lightning-fast data transfers with USB 3.0 speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Move your files, movies, and music in seconds, saving you valuable time. Crafted with a durable aluminum alloy body and a tangle-free nylon braided cable, this adapter is designed for longevity and everyday use. It works seamlessly with a variety of devices, including MacBooks, Samsung Galaxy phones, and more. Get the flexibility you need for all your tech. This pack includes 2 adapters, ensuring you always have one when you need it. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This adapter is perfect for expanding your device's connectivity. If you need to connect flash drives, keyboards, or mice to your USB-C devices, this is the one for you. It offers superfast 5 gigabits per second data transfer, making it ideal for quickly moving large files. What people say. The adapter kit is a lifesaver for connecting various devices. It's incredibly versatile and supports a wide range of USB types. The build quality is surprisingly robust for the price. Number 4. Anker 332 USB-C Hub, 5-in-1. Unlock seamless multitasking with this versatile hub. It offers a 4K HDMI port, a high-speed USB-C data port, 2 USB-A ports, and a dedicated PDAN port for charging. Keep your laptop powered without interruption. This hub supports up to 85 W pass-through charging, ensuring you stay productive throughout the day. Transfer large files in seconds. Its USB-C and USB-A data ports offer speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second, making file management a breeze. Experience brilliant visuals on an external monitor. Connect via the HDMI port to stream or mirror your content in crisp 4K resolution. This device is designed for broad compatibility. It works with MacBook, Windows, and Chrome OS laptops equipped with DP Alt mode and power delivery. You'll receive the Anker 332 USB-C hub, a welcome guide, an 18-month warranty, and dedicated customer support. What we like. For those who need to expand their laptop's capabilities, this hub is a game changer. It offers a 4K HDMI port for external displays and multiple high-speed data ports, plus powerful pass-through charging. If you're a MacBook or laptop user looking to enhance your workstation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The adapter kit is a great addition to my setup, allowing me to connect multiple devices seamlessly. I was impressed by the build quality of the adapter kit. It feels durable and well-made. The transfer speeds are incredibly fast, making large file transfers a breeze. Number 3. FIDECO SATA IDE to USB 3.0 Adapter. Introducing the FIDECO SATA IDE to USB 3.0 Adapter. This versatile cable converter allows you to connect a wide range of hard drives and optical drives to your computer with ease. It's designed to work with both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA and IDE hard drives, as well as 2.5-inch SSDs and 5.25-inch DVD/CD drives. You can even connect up to 3 drives simultaneously. Enjoy seamless connectivity across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. No drivers or software are needed, making setup incredibly straightforward. Experience lightning-fast data transfers with USB 3.0, supporting speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. It's also backward compatible with older USB versions for maximum flexibility. Simply connect your drive, plug in the power and USB cables, and power it on. For 3.5-inch IDE drives, ensure the 4-pin power cable is connected. For new hard drives or SSDs, remember to initialize them in disk management first. Our support team is always available for any technical assistance or firmware updates you might need. What we like. This adapter is a lifesaver for anyone dealing with older hard drives. It allows you to connect both SATA and IDE drives, including 2.5 and 3.5 sizes, to your modern computer. If you have old data you need to recover or external drives you want to repurpose, this is the most versatile solution. What people say. The adapter kit is a great addition to my setup, allowing me to connect multiple devices seamlessly. I was impressed by the build quality of the adapter kit. It feels sturdy and well made. The transfer speeds are incredibly fast, making large file transfers a breeze. Number 2. ANYPLUS USB 3.0 Hub, 4-port portable expander. Instantly transform a single USB port into 4 with this versatile hub. It allows multiple devices to connect and operate simultaneously without any performance issues. Get started right away with its plug-and-play functionality. No complicated drivers or installations are needed, making it incredibly easy to use. This device works seamlessly with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, and Chrome OS. It's perfect for laptops, PCs, gaming consoles, and more. Experience rapid data transfers with speeds up to 5 gigabits per second via USB 3.0. It's ideal for connecting peripherals like flash drives, external hard drives, and printers for efficient data exchange. Please note that this hub is optimized for data transfer and peripheral connections, not for charging devices due to its limited current output. Ensure optimal performance by using it for its intended purpose. Enjoy peace of mind with our dedicated support team. We offer 24-hour online customer service to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. What we like. If you find yourself constantly running out of USB ports on your laptop or desktop, this compact hub is the answer. It expands one port into 4, supporting simultaneous use for all your peripherals. It's perfect for gamers, office users, or anyone who needs quick access to multiple devices. What people say. This adapter kit is a lifesaver for connecting my devices. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. It supports a wide range of devices, making it very versatile. Number 1. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Introducing the Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit, designed by travelers for travelers. It's your perfect companion for staying powered up anywhere in the world. This adapter features 2 USA sockets, a USB-A port, and a powerful 35W PD USB-C port. It can charge your laptop, phone, camera, and other essential devices simultaneously. With plugs for EU, UK, China, AU, and Japan, this adapter ensures you have power in most countries. It's compatible with electronics and chargers worldwide. Protect your valuable electronics from voltage surges and spikes with built-in surge protection. The LED indicator clearly shows whether you're using 110V or 220V. Designed for convenience, it's ultra-compact and lightweight, making it easy to pack. A travel pouch is also included for added portability. This adapter is ETL tested and comes with a 2-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind during your travels. What we like. This is the ultimate travel companion for the modern digital nomad. It provides universal plug compatibility for numerous countries and offers fast 35W PD charging for your laptop and phone. If you travel frequently and need a reliable way to power all your devices, this adapter kit is essential. What people say. The adapter kit is a great addition to my setup. It allows me to connect multiple devices seamlessly. The build quality is excellent and it feels very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.